What's up guys, Tao here. In this very short video, I'll be addressing two questions from the user regards on the M.2 SSD and M.2 slot on the motherboard. The first one is which slot should we install the SSD onto, the one close to CPU or the one away from the CPU. Now the second question is what if we put a PCIe Gen4 SSD onto a Gen3 slot, and is it actually worth it to put a Gen4 SSD onto a Gen3? So if you're curious about it, let's find out. Alright, for the first question, which slot should we install onto? Now for this video, I used a Sabrent 2TB PCIe Gen3 M.2 and on the Gen3 motherboard. So both slots support the Gen3. I don't have the newer motherboard to support Gen4. And so the point of this is just to see is any performance difference. So the software I use is the Blackmagic disk speed test. So the result, actually, not to my surprise, there's not really a difference between these two slots. If you use the SSD on the first slot, or the close to the CPU, or the one away from the CPU controlled by the PCH. As long as the SSD is the same specification, and there's no performance change whatsoever between these two slots. Alright, for the second question, I have a Sabrent PCIe Gen4 M.2 SSD and install onto the Gen3 slot and use the same software to do the test. Now the result actually is as expected. There is a slight difference in read and write speed, but not to the point give me a huge surprise. Wow, that's a difference. But actually, to me, on the average or on a daily basis, you might not notice difference at all, unless you have a large file to transfer and you can take advantage of that just extra little performance. So in my opinion, there's not really a huge advantage for you to choose a Gen4 SSD and use on the Gen3 slot. But on the other hand, if you have a Gen4 SSD installed on Gen3 slot, you can actually maximize the performance of the Gen3 slot. So if you do use Gen3 SSD on that, depending on the SSD used, if you have the super duper fast Gen3 SSD, yes, you may have the same performance as the Gen4. But otherwise, probably there's not really much difference if you use Gen3 SSD and the Gen4 SSD onto a older slot or the Gen3 slot. So there you go. That's my answer. You might not be worth it. Alright, just to recap, in terms of the M.2 slot on your motherboard, I know there are newer generations of the motherboard support Gen4 and the Gen3 at the same time. So normally, if you have a newer motherboard, the primary slot, which is the slot just underneath the CPU, if it supports Gen4, that normally is the one will support Gen4 SSD. The rest controlled by the PCH most likely will be support the Gen3 speed. So just double check with your manual, make sure you install the correct SSD onto the correct slot. If you have Gen4 and with the newer motherboards, you're better off just install onto the slot near the processor. So just double check with your manual. Now in terms of is it worth to choose the Gen4 SSD on an older motherboard? Honestly, in my opinion, might not be worth it for the money on the Gen4 SSD. At the moment, Gen4 SSD is still a little bit more expensive compared to the old ones. But if you have to have Gen4, yes, go ahead. You may see a slight performance increase compared to the Gen3 SSD. But if you have to have it, and if you really want to maximize that a little bit more performance, go right ahead, and you won't get disappointed. So end of the day, the performance of Gen4 will maximize the Gen3 M.2 slot on your motherboard. So yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the very short, quick video regards on the M.2 Gen3 and Gen4 SSD on the older version of the M.2 slot. Now, if you do have a question, you can leave the comment down below, and hopefully other users may answer your question, or I will try my best to answer your question as well. So see you guys in the next video.